Hi, my name is Paul Marut from Bloodline Gym. We opened 2 weeks ago, a week ago, now it's the second week. But I had a gym in Clapton for the last 20 years in a very old small building, so it's a bit of an upgrade. So I think in the gym, sound system is very important for people to get energy and get going. And yeah, I always want to have a nice, solid sound system. I used to work in the clubs for 20 years doing band door work, so yeah, I enjoy the music. So we got main zone, which is the main workout area. Obviously, if you want to play really loud here, but on the chill out area, we want to be a little bit quieter, or coffee bar reception, then we can control that way. Yeah, then when we have events, like a social event in a TV and bar area, we crank that up, lower the sound in the main area. So we will be running monthly event here, and then maybe watching a big fight, or have a little inter-club, a little fight night here, or even just a game night, whatever. Yeah, so we want to be able to adjust the sound, and so the lighting is as well. We can turn the lighting down in the whole place, but have a focus on the ring. So that's all working together. You know, when the staff arrive in the morning, they don't need to look for where to turn it on and off. And yeah, the lights comes on, the music comes on, the AC, everything is automated. It saves costs as well. So it comes on and off whenever it needs to be, instead of leaving it overnight, or leaving it playing or running through the night. It just comes on and off when it needs to be done. I just control it from my phone or iPad. The same, the staff, they got a connection on the front desk, so they can turn it up and down, but I never leave my phone anywhere, so it's just always on the phone. So I think it's great. I haven't even tested fully yet. This Saturday we got an opening event. We're going to have a DJ, so I think that'll be the first proper test. How loud can you go?
My name is Mike Glover. ESL as an installation company has been running for the last 22 or 23 years. We started off very much in the commercial environment, so nightclubs really, when they were building nightclubs, not so much anymore. And then we've progressed into bars, restaurants, hotels. We also have some real high-end residential properties that we look after. So it's a wide spectrum of what we do. In the gym itself, we've got cuboid 8s. In the mezzanine area, we use cuboid 6s, and then they had a reception and bar area, kind of cafetiere area, where we used the pendant speakers. Amplifiers were the Smart Amp 30s. We used a Zone 4 to control, and that's using the app to control the system as well. Products are really good, easy to install, easy to set up and use. Configuration was great and nice and simple. Yeah, so far we found it a really good product. The complete project was done in 4 days. So from when we arrived from first fix to then we done a second fix and set the system up. Yeah, 4 days all in. The relationship with the guys at Optimal has been really good. The products are great, very reliable. Yeah, we're really enjoying using the product so far.